All right, whenever you're taking a PDI TV off the arm, the first thing we want to do is look down in here. There should be a safety pin in here. And what that for is to keep this thing, once you take that television off the arm, from jumping up and hitting you in the face. It hurts. I've had the shiner. But you put that through that hole that's right there and put your safety pin on. Put the nuts on it so it can't fall off, but now you see that doesn't come out no more. And then you can take this Allen out right here, and I believe this is a 3/16, or then you take that out. Now you can take the set off the arm like so, and then you place it with a newer model set. In this case, you slide it on here, and you slide that back, and you put your and you just tighten that down and you're good to go. And then of course hook your coax cable and any other cables that are here in the nose of the arm back up. And real quick, I will demonstrate to you why you want to put that safety pin in there. If you take the TV off the arm without the safety pin in, you'll notice I'm pushing this away from me. That hurts. Don't do it. Always keep the safety pin in there.